In this video, I will show you how you can fix NVIDIA display settings are not available error. Now the first thing that we want to try is we want to come here and we want to reinstall our display. So if you open up Device Manager, you should find one called Display Adapters. And what you want to do is you want to simply right click on it and uninstall device. And after you've done that, you want to click on Action and scan for hardware changes, which is gonna reinstall it. Now, once you've done that, it should actually hopefully work, but there's still one more thing that we can do if it's still not working. We can check if all our NVIDIA settings are active. So come down here and search for services, open it up, and then scroll all the way over to N and look for NVIDIA right here. Now, I have 3 NVIDIAs in here, and you should also only have 3. So if you have more, then just do it on these 3. What you want to do is you want to double click, make sure it's set to automatic and running. If it's on anything else, just put it on automatic. If it says stopped, just press start, apply, and OK. Then head over to the next one and do it on this one as well. So start, apply, OK. And for the last one, automatic and start. Now, once you've done all of that, what you want to do is you just want to try and restart your PC. And after this, it should work. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.